Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to use shape keys for the face expressions. So I have one character here, kid character. I have imported an expression chart like this. You can see the vowels A, I, O, U. So we will be using this as a reference. I won't be doing the same as like this because this has a different mode, this has a different mode. So using the arcs like this. Basic arc. As you can see, for A it is opened like this mount. We will be using this as a reference. I'll select the model. So go to object data properties here, this one, and as you can see here shape keys is there. So open like this and add a first one. First one will be the basis like this. So you need to add a next one. Add one. We'll go to edit mode. So we'll try to adjust this face as our reference. First I'll be doing A. I have switched on this proportional editing. Now I will open this mode slowly. As the lip moves, the chin also should move. So select the chin part with the proportional editing. Slowly try to adjust this. Little bit smile. So for that, now this vertex up. Now the upper lip, like the upper lip part. As you can see, it is moving lower lip also. So because of this proportional editing, so switch off that. So I need to move this little up so that it looks like a little bit smile. Be careful, line flow should not spoil. Let's make it tight edges. So as soon as you go out of the edit mode, the pose will be reset. Here you can see the value. So if you change it to 1, it will open the mouth. So we need to adjust little bit of teeth also. Go to again to edit mode. Select the line flow in all the viewport, front view, side view. Now our first expression is done. So we can add multiple shape keys. Make it 0. Select the model, add one more. You can give the naming also. A, I, because A can be used for I also. So you can name it so that no confusion. Select the second shape keys. Remember this, select the proper key. Now you can see there is nothing. So again go to edit mode, change different expression, make now E. Try to make E. See in this expression, it is the lower lip, it has gone a little down. Selected lower lip, bring it down slowly. Select this lower jaw also. As it moves down, slowly select the area, jaw, chin area also. Use the proportion editing. As soon as you go out of the edit mode, you can see the pose will be reset. Okay, I will select the upper lip. The teeth part, select the teeth, both the teeth, because in E expression it should be visible. So okay, it is done. See, E expression is done. So like this, you can add multiple shape keys for one object. As you can see, I have finished with some expressions. We'll test one by one. We'll go to material preview and check. So this will be the basic. This one. We'll select A. and increase the value so you can see it's changed. So I've used the same method to create all this expression. So this is U, and this will be O, and I have created hyperlink also with the same method. And I have one more expression. Now it is smiling. It's little happy. So I made it little sad also. Try this expression also. I agree. So you can use the shape keys like this. So explore with shape keys and try with different expression. We'll meet in the next session.